What came first, chicken or the egg? I think it's moving. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Evan. Today we'll be cooking chicken schnitzel. But now we need some chicken breast. Now we're going to cut it thinly on the bias. Once you've got the little medallions of chicken, it's time for my favourite bit. Now I need some grease-proof paper and a mallet. Next thing we need to do is put the grease-proof paper over the chicken and start pounding it till it's 5 millimeters thick. And use the flat side, not the pointy side. Now we need either a crumbing set like this, or either 3 bowls. In the first tray, we need some flour. Don't eat it like I did in that cordon bleu recipe. In the next bowl, we need 3 eggs. Now we need to get a fork and whisk them up good. In the last tray, use the crumb of your choice. Now we need to get the medallions of chicken and coat them in flour, whisked egg and breadcrumbs. When the crumbing process is done with the schnitzel, it should look like this. Or if you use bigger or smaller pieces, it would look bigger or smaller. Now we need a fry pan and some vegetable oil with medium heat. Now I need to put the schnitzels in 3 minutes per side. Now I need to take the schnitzels out and put them on this tray to dry. Doesn't that look good? Only thing left to do now is eat it! Tastes fantastic. As you can see, I ate the whole lot. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. They're down there. Share the video with your friends and always remember to say cheese.